Welcome, guys. The gluten-free Golden Oreos are on the shelves. They have been since the 1st of January. I finally found some yesterday. Tara was super excited. She's already tried them, so I got her thoughts on them. Now I'm going to go over them and then give them a taste and give you my thoughts on them. I'm Jamie with SavorySaver. I share gluten-free recipes, tips, tricks, and resources to make your gluten-free lifestyle easier. So let's give these gluten-free Oreos a try. So let's go over the product before we actually give them a taste. And before I taste it, I will tell you what Tara thought of them so we can see if I agree or disagree with them. So as you guys know, Tara is gluten-free. I am not. I will not be eating these on a regular basis because they're more expensive than regular Oreos, and I don't need to eat these when I can have the regular ones. So typically the only time I will use gluten-free Oreos is if we're doing a recipe for them, then I will eat them. But typically if she buys gluten-free Oreos, she's the one that's going to be eating them. So the package is a 12.08 ounce package. There are about 30 cookies in the package. Serving size is 3, 160 calories. Not that you guys necessarily need to know that. If you guys are grabbing these cookies, you're grabbing these cookies, whatever. We're not going for a health thing here. They do have the opening here, which you can peel back. Tara evidently at 5 o'clock this morning when she was getting ready for work and they were sitting on the counter, decided to just cut across them. So we've got the Ziploc bag to keep them in. They are certified gluten-free. And let's go over the ingredients. Sugar, white rice flour, tapioca starch, palm oil, soybean and or canola oil, whole oat flour, cornstarch, invert sugar, salt, xanthan gum, baking soda, soy lecithin, natural and artificial flavors. They do contain soy. So those are the ingredients. Always double check if you buy these tomorrow or if you buy these in 6 months or if you buy these in a year, because ingredients can change. So always read your packaging. The gluten-free Oreos add to their current gluten-free line, which they have the standard traditional gluten-free Oreos, the double stuff, and the gluten-free mint, which I think came out last year. So I found them at Walmart. They were $4.58 at my Walmart. I would assume at this point now you can find them online, but I would check your grocery stores first, along with Walmart, Target, those type places, because they're probably going to be cheaper than you're going to find them online. So if you like the Oreos, look there first. Also, since they just came out, definitely watch for sales if you want to try them. Usually when a new product comes out, lots of times you can find it just a little bit cheaper. So if you're in the grocery stores, definitely look to see if there's any lower prices available. So here is what they look like. There's the typical cream in the middle, and as you can see, there's not much. And that one looks like it was put together by hand almost. This one, again, so thin, barely see that cream in there. When I was little, the regular Oreos had way more cream than that. And then we had double stuff that you could actually tell. I think the double stuff now look like they used to years ago for the regular ones. All right, so I've got 2 cookies. So first, of course, Oreo is known for the twist. So there's your inside, standard Oreo. And you know what I think I'm gonna do? I think I'm gonna grab a butter knife. Let's scrape off the cream as much as I can so I can just get a taste of the cookie. All right, so before I try it, Tara said that they had an aftertaste. Full disclosure, she also tried her first one after she brushed her teeth. So she waited a little bit, tried again, still said they had an odd aftertaste. So let's see if I agree with that. The other thing she told me is we've also had the Glutino vanilla creams that are gluten-free that have been out for a long time. And we've had the Walmart version of that. And she couldn't remember the Walmart version because it's been a while since we've had them, but she did say she felt like the Glutino ones were a little better. So let's give it a taste and see what I think. I think I have to agree. There's some kind of odd taste in it that I don't like, and I can't figure out what ingredient it is. All right, let's try the part with the cream because that's where a ton of sugar is, so maybe that'll improve the taste. Okay. I think I have to agree with Tara on this. So, when I eat the cookie by itself, I do feel there's an odd taste from the beginning to the end of the cookie. Some kind of aftertaste I don't care for. With the cream filling together, it's not as pronounced. But the golden cookie itself is not my favorite. So, final thoughts on these gluten-free golden Oreos. Not my favorite. Have a little bit of an aftertaste that I can't figure out what ingredient is causing that. It's not a gluten-free taste. If you guys know what I'm talking about, sometimes that starchy taste comes out in things. I don't feel that it's that, but I don't know what it is. So, not my favorite. We will probably buy Glutino or the Great Value brand still, as opposed to this. I can't totally speak for Tara, but if she's already telling me there's an aftertaste after 2, we'll see how long these stick around in the house. And once they're gone, they may not be replaced. So that's my thought on the golden gluten-free Oreos. We do like the original gluten-free Oreos as well as the double stuff. Guys, have you tried these yet? Have you found them? Will you try them? Some of you don't like processed foods, so some of you may not be having this, or you have a reaction to some of the other ingredients. Guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. As always, I hope to see you in the next video.